Greetings everyone, this is Ryan. In today's video, we're going to be talking more about the AVKans Go camera, live streaming camera, 4K. I gave an update a little bit in a live yesterday, and today's the video that I'm going to talk more about what has been going on with this camera. Since the last time I talked, they updated the firmware to 1.0.54. It's added some new things, it fixed some bugs, and I'll show you what they've added. You now have the ability to live stream straight from the camera with the app. You just go to the live, press the live button, you enter your RTMP stream keys from YouTube or Facebook or anywhere else. You can change your resolutions, you can change your bit rate. You can also live stream directly from the camera. Now, you have to use the app to set it up, but once you get your stream keys put in and you address your resolutions and you press go live, you can close the app. You do not have to use the app anymore. It streams directly to the RTMP from the camera to your internet source. So, if you want to set it and forget it, it's great for this standalone camera. It's done really well for me when I've tested it streaming to Sideline HD, just a test stream standing by itself, no other, not using any other apps, Mevo Multicam or the app itself. It streamed using the app, the AVKans app. It worked, it streamed well. It's a really good standalone camera right now. 4K, it'll record in 4K, and you can stream in different resolutions like 720p. Most YouTube channels only allow you 720 to stream out live. I know that Sideline HD only allows, or will only output 720. They'll take 1080 in, but they will still only output 720 to YouTube and Facebook. Facebook only allows 720 on the live streaming as well. So, as a standalone, I can now probably recommend this camera. And also the latest fix that they've done, jumping a little ahead of myself, the latest fix that they did, I got 1.0.62 and 6.3 firmwares updated into this camera, and it fixed a video file issue to where when you pulled it down off the camera, pulled it out of the SD card and put it on your computer to like edit or look at it again, it was causing some jumpy video. It wasn't rendering correctly. So I put the new firmware in, and it completely fixed that problem. So I can recommend this camera for a standalone version. So if you're just wanting to simple stream with one camera, record in 4K, I don't do this very often. I recommend this camera. I still love my Mevo ecosystem. I will never get away from that. This camera, though, has its quality, and it's getting better. They are listening to the customers. They are making changes, and it's very difficult for a company that's out of country to do that. Translation sometimes is a little iffy, but they are working on it. I'd say that they're coming around. They're not bugging me for a 5-star rating anymore, which is great. I like to do it on my own. I don't like receiving stuff for free and then expecting to give it a 5-star rating just because they gave it to me for free. I'm never going to do that. But I still love the Mevo ecosystem, and this camera also does NDI, if you remember, and I utilize it in my Mevo multicam app. there is somewhat of an issue. There's an order of operations, and I don't know what or who the issue is, but I never have any issue with the Mevo multicam or with the Mevo cameras coming into multicam. I've had 6 cameras up with no problem, but adding in NDI has kind of changed things a little bit. So the order of operations to add the AVKans Go camera in is you get all your Mevo cams connected up first, and then use if you have a Mevo Pro subscription, you can add the NDI in next. That's how I would handle this camera in Mevo Multicam. Do you want to have Mevo Pro? You have to look at that into yourself. It's $20 a month, and you can cancel the subscription at any time. You can multi-stream, multi-destination stream. There's a few other packages with Streamlabs that you get. You get Streamlabs Ultimate or Ultra, I think is what it's called. So you get a lot of more things to do with that. So, you know, if you want to go that far, which I do, I go way too far with my system setup, but, you know, I enjoy doing it. I come from a TV background. It brings me back to those days, and it keeps me out of my son's ear. You know, I can stream. The parents love it. The grandparents love it. So that's what I really do it for. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I want you to like and follow. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out here, or you can reach out on my Discord channel. The link will be provided below. Thanks for watching. You have a great day.